Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? Let's dive deep into SPY and provide you with a more detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Now, we're here to give you even more insights. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Missing out on crucial updates could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate, giving it a rating of 3.97. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 13.98% since we first recommended SPY as a buy candidate 60 days ago. This means an average daily return of 0.23% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a strong and narrow rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the price breaks above the top trend line at $492.18, it would indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 12.71% change expected over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 8.77% and 13.01%. In terms of the 12-month trend, we anticipate a 17.19% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 2.38% to 17.35%. This translates to a price range of $502.59 to $576.07 after 1 year. Our latest update for the SPY ETF includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for SPY ETF Price After Tuesday Trading. On the last trading day, Tuesday, January 30, 2024, the SPY ETF price fell by 0.0774%, declining from $491.27 to $490.89. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 0.308%, reaching a low of $490.11 and a high of $491.62. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in a 3.36% increase over the past 2 weeks. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 4 million on the last day, it occurred amidst falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. Overall, approximately 56 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $27.40 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the SPY ETF reached its highest price at $491.62 and its lowest price at $380.65. Currently, the price is 0.15% or $0.730 below the 52-week high, which also happens to be the all-time high for the ETF. Today, let's take a look at the signals for the popular SPY ETF. The SPY ETF is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average sitting above the long-term average. In case of corrections, there is some support at $487.36 and $475.31. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it would issue sell signals. It's important to note that the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is also signaling a buy. On the other hand, some negative signals have also been identified, which may have an impact on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 29, 2024, and the stock has fallen -0.0774% since then. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Yesterday, volume rose on falling prices, which could be seen as an early warning. Therefore, it's recommended to closely monitor the ETF. It's worth mentioning that the SPY ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023, in the long-term chart. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. It is a rare occurrence and often leads to significant gains for the ETF. Today, I want to share with you some other signals that you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It gave a buy signal recently. Next, we have the pivots. It gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands also provided a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average, on the other hand, gave a sell signal 11 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 61 days ago. And when we look at the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal 58 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a sell signal 11 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 55 days ago. And when we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal 44 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY has a support level at $472, which is backed by accumulated volume. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when it is tested. Generally, SPY exhibits controlled movements and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. In fact, on the last trading day, the ETF only moved $1.51 between its high and low, representing a mere 0.308% change. Over the past week, the daily average volatility for the ETF has been 0.622%. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SPY. If the market is on an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for SPY, which is set at $491.27. For those who don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, SPY faces its first support level at $472. If this support level manages to hold, it could present a good entry point, with a potential rebound on the horizon. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $478.96, representing a decrease of 2.43%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 80, indicating increased risk. Additionally, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top discovered just 1 day ago. Is SPY ETF a good investment? Based on our analysis, we believe that the current level of SPY ETF presents a buying opportunity. Short-term signals and a positive trend indicate that there is a fair chance for this ETF to perform well. In our evaluation, we have upgraded SPY ETF from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 31st, we anticipate SPY to open with a decrease of $0.0167, starting at a price of $490.87. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts on whether you agree or disagree with our analysis. Leave a comment below and share your insights. Also, don't forget to let us know your target for the ETF. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at StockInvest.